Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Pick your cloud provider and sign in. Once signed, select an OS image. I recommend Ubuntu 22. 04 LTS for compatibility, and choose an instance size matching CPU and RAM needs. Generate an SSH key pair on your workstation and copy the public key into the provider's console. This avoids password login. Also enable multi-factor authentication and ensure billing is set so instance creation won't be blocked. Now create the instance and move to configuration. Once the instance is running, configure networking and security carefully. Allocate a static public IP so DNS and remote tools remain stable and attach it to your instance. Next, set up security groups or the instance firewall. Allow SSH, HTTP, and HTTPS only, and lock other ports by default. Log in via SSH with your key, disable root SSH, and create an administrator user for daily work. Install unattended upgrades or enable automatic OS updates to reduce patching risk. And configure fail2ban to block repeated login attempts. To finish, install and configure your application stack. For example, a reverse proxy like Nginx, your app runtime, and a database, each managed by systemd. Once services run, enable HTTPS via Let's Encrypt and automate certificate renewal. Set up scheduled snapshots and offsite backups, then test a restore to confirm integrity. Finally, add monitoring and alerts for CPU, disk, and memory usage so you catch issues early. If connectivity or service errors occur, check security groups, firewall rules, and service logs first. Often a closed port or failed dependency is the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.